Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lavi Singhal, Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon, Apollo Miracle Hospital, Sector 14 and Sector 56. Today we are going to discuss about hip replacement surgery, यानी कि hip बदलने का operation. Before we discuss about hip replacement surgery, let's understand what actually a hip joint is and how does it look like. So hip joint is basically a ball and a socket joint. That means a ball which is articulating inside a socket. So if you see a normal anatomy of hip joint, there is a socket and then there is a thigh bone which has this ball which articulates inside this socket. In case if either of the socket or the ball gets damaged due to some trauma or due to degenerative disease or due to some autoimmune rheumatoid arthritis disease, then we need to change or undergo hip replacement surgery provided all the conservative measures have failed. So in this surgery what we do is, जो ये ball होती है जिसका shape खराब हो गया होता है, we remove this ball, we cut this ball और इसकी जगह हम एक दूसरा ball बिठाते हैं and at the same time the socket which is damaged, we replace this socket with another articular surface. Now there are multiple articular surfaces which are available. There is metal, in which a metal can articulate over the metal, but in recent times this metal on metal articulation has been withdrawn from the market due to some metallosis which occurs due to this articulation. Then there is metal on poly, that means एक polyethylene होता है जिसके ऊपर ये metal का जो ball होता है वो articulate करता है. Then there is ceramic on poly, यानी कि ये जो ball होता है ceramic का होता है और ये polyethylene पे articulate करता है. And there is ceramic on ceramic, that means ball and articular surface both are made up of ceramic. इस ceramic की जो life होती है, ceramic on ceramic जो articulation होता है, इसकी life सबसे ज़्यादा होती है and it is believed and scientific papers have proved that this ceramic on ceramic hip replacement surgery, this prosthesis is going to last for minimum of 40 years. The only problem in few of the individuals is squeaking, यानी कि एक squeak की कई बार किसी पेशेंट में किसी एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल पे आवाज आ सकती है, या फिर अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर एंगल पे इस हिप पे चोट लगती है तो ये सिरेमिक फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है. इस हिप रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी के बाद जो पेशेंट का प्री एग्जिस्टिंग पेन होता है वो पूरी तरह चले जाता है. पेशेंट कैन वॉक एज लॉन्ग एज ही वांट, एज मच एज ही वांट. He can do all his routine activities. However, there are certain activities which we ask patient not to do on regular basis. For example, we ask patient not to sit cross-legged. We ask patient not to squat, and lastly, we ask patient not to sit on the floor. So these are three activities which we ask patient to restrict in their activities of daily living. Beside that, all other activities are allowed to the patient. वो अपना नॉर्मल रूटीन, अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ, एक सामान्य जिंदगी जी सकते हैं. दर्द जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा पूरी तरह चले जाता है. जो पेशेंट जितना चलना चाहे चल फिर सकता है, अपनी सारी एक्टिविटीज कर सकता है. जनरली आफ्टर डूइंग रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी पेशेंट को पहले 2-3 दिन थोड़ा पेन रहता है, जिसके लिए उसको नसों द्वारा दर्द की दवाई दे दी जाती है. पेशेंट को इसमें बेड रेस्ट की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं होती. वी मेक द पेशेंट वॉक द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे विद द हेल्प ऑफ वॉकर सपोर्ट. Generally the walker support is kept for a period of 3 to 4 weeks, and depending upon patient's recovery we replace this walker with the cane and gradually we remove this cane support as well. The pain completely disappears after a period of 2 months. Stitches are removed 15 days post surgery, and as I said that once the pain goes away then patient is free to do all his activities besides some restrictions which I have already explained earlier. There is 95% success rate associated with total hip replacement surgery. 5% chances are there that there might be some infection which can occur or implant loosening or rather some deep vein thrombosis, a clot in the vein, all these can be tackled with the help of medicines, and very rarely they might require a resurgery. If we talk about life after total knee replacement, as I said, आजकल जो नए prostheses आए हैं, they are very advanced prostheses and their life is pretty high. As I said, ceramic on ceramic जो articular surface है, that lasts minimum of 40 years. That means that once you have underwent a replacement surgery, then रिविजन रिप्लेसमेंट जनरली 40 साल तक कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. इन केस अगर ये इम्प्लांट पहले घिस जाते हैं या ख़राब हो जाते हैं, जिसके बहुत कम चांस रहते हैं, तो वी कैन इजीली रिवाइज these implants. Patient is very much comfortable after the surgery. अगर दोनों साइड की सर्जरी करी जाती है तब भी और एक साइड की सर्जरी करी जाती है तब भी.